I'm going to explain to you why you actually don't need money in order to trade properly. Let's talk about that and more right now. Hey traders, it's Andrew Mitchem here, the owner of the Forex Trading Coach with the video and podcast number 426. I've got 6 things I want to talk to you today about, so lots to cover. First thing is about the common perception that people have. They think they need a lot of money in order to trade. The reality is you don't. Sure, you need to learn how to trade, but in terms of having a massive account size once you know how to trade, you don't need to. A lot of things you can do. One thing you could do is have a subscription service and sell trading signals, exactly like we do for our Echo Trade Copier. You charge, $50, $100 a month, and people can follow you automatically, and you can build up your account size that way. But another way that a lot of people don't realize is the massive amount of emerging prop firms out there. And what that means is for some of them, they may charge you a small amount to get started, and they may give you then a small amount of funds, and you have to prove to them that you can trade by making X% with the restrictions they have in place with low drawdowns, etc. And then over time, if you're good, they will then increase that amount of capital that they will allow you to trade on their behalf. And then for some of them, there may be like a 50-50 split. So if you're, something like, up to $100,000 account, and of course you could do this on several different firms as well. But let's say you had a $100,000 account, you're making, let's say 10% in a month. That's $10,000. You're doing a 50-50 split on revenue. You could be $5,000 a month from different prop firms earning for yourself. And that way you can then invest that back into your own personal trading fund and trading account and earn on that as well. So many ways that you can do it. Don't just think, I've got, $2,000 or, I can't do this. I don't have enough in my account. I get a lot of people say to me, hey, Andrew, if I bought your course, I don't have any money left in my trading account to trade with. But it's just the wrong way of trading, of thinking, I should say. You have to learn to trade first. You've got to invest in your education and yourself first. All the prop firm signals is fantastic, but once you know what you're doing, and that's the important thing. So get the process right to start with. So that leads me on to point number 2. I'm thinking about starting a low-cost course. So for less than the price of a cup of coffee each day, I'm looking at having a group of people together with a completely different sort of smaller membership site with some trading videos, still with access to my daily trading suggestions as well. It's something that I think there's a lot of people out there that would like that kind of thing. Let me know if you're interested. If you are, just send a reply or email me, andrew@forextradingcoach.com, or just send a reply to this email that you get the video on or the podcast on. And just let me know if you're interested. It's something that I'm looking at starting up in the next few weeks if you're interested. Just be a small, maybe like a Facebook group membership type course, but a lot lower cost than the normal course, and like I said, for less than a cup of coffee per day, plus you get my daily trades. If you're interested, please just let me know, and I can then send you details when we have something put together. Point number 3, been talking with Ben Clay over in Melbourne, over in Blueberry Markets. And I've asked them if they can extend the credit system that they have for our Echo Trade Copier service, and they've agreed to. It was ending at the end of August, and I've asked them if they can extend that, which they have agreed to do for the next few weeks. So if you'd like to take advantage of the Echo Trade Copier service that I have, it's averaging about 4% gain per month with very low drawdowns. Echo Trade Copier automatically trades on your MT4 or MT5 account via Signal Start. And if you open a new account with Blueberry Markets using the link that I'll put on this page, Blueberry Markets will credit your account with the equivalent monthly fee for the copier service. So that's a really good thing, and thank you to Blueberry for extending that offer. I've been with Blueberry Markets for many, many years, find them a fantastic broker to trade with, and I've sent hundreds and hundreds, if not thousands, of people to them over the years. Fantastic feedback all the time. Great customer service. You will not beat their customer service. So that's point number 3. Point number 4, I've added a video to our testimonials page. And again, I'll put a link through to that on this video and podcast with an interview that I held last week with Rio. So Rio joined us back in about April. He lives in Singapore. His trading is just incredible. He'd been through a couple courses before he joined us here at the Forex Trading Coach. But some of the trades that he's posting on our forum site are just amazing. He is doing so well. It's a 45-minute interview. I really encourage you, if you've got any interest at all in learning how to trade, whether you're new or experienced, just get to watch it. Go and watch it because it's Rio talking about his journey, his experience in trading, and what he's currently doing now to get such amazing results. So that's on our testimonials page. Point number 5, we have had some really nice reviews on Forex Peace Army over the last few weeks, and we're now up to 156 reviews, I think it is, about 4.8 stars out of 5 over the last 12 plus years. Go and have a read of those as well from some people who have been with us for over a year. I think 3 out of the 4 most recent reviews have been with us for over a year. So these are not reviews from people who just bought the course, like last week and are on a demo and think, oh, it's amazing because I'm learning something. These are people who started, well over a year ago. They're trading live and they're doing really, really well. So go and have a look on the Forex Peace Army site at those reviews. And point number 6, I want to just give you an update about a live webinar I held just last night in the European session with our clients. I posted 4 trades, took 4 trades live on the session. All 4 trades hit their profit targets. So a buy trade on the Euro US dollar, a buy trade on the British pound Japanese yen, and also a buy trade on the 6-hour chart on the Canadian Swiss francs. That's 3. And there was one other. Oh, that's right. We took an oil trade as well. There was an oil trade on West Texas, I think it was. West Texas or Brent oil, 6-hour chart as well. One of the 2 oils there. And that also hit the profit target. So all those trades were posted and shown on a live account, taken in real time, shown the reasons why, the exact entry and exit levels, all of them hit their profit target. Lots of green lights when I woke up this morning on my trading account, which is very pleasing to see. So if you want to be part of this, come and have a look at what we do every day, how we help traders from right around the world, clients in 98 countries over the last 12 years, over 3,000 people on the course, doing really well and loving it. So we're here at the Forex Trading Coach, and we look forward to seeing you this time next week. If you do have any questions you'd like me to cover on future videos and podcasts, just email me and I can add those to the list for future events. And feel free to share if you're watching the video or listening to the podcast with friends, family, anybody who you think would benefit from learning how to trade properly. I'll see you this time next week. Bye for now.